With the internet and technology, there are many ways you can earn money without leaving the comfort of your home. In this episode, we are going to explore some of the popular ways to earn money from home and how you can get started. My name is Sebastian and welcome to Seb Finance, the channel that helps you with your personal finance and money management. Number 1, online surveys. When you sign up for an online survey, you are asked to provide basic information about yourself, such as your age, gender, and location. This information helps the survey company match you with the surveys that are relevant to you. Once you complete a survey, the data is collected and analyzed by the market research company. They use the information to gain insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and any other thing that will help them improve their products and services. Many research companies offer incentives for completing surveys, such as cash, gift cards, and other rewards. The value of the incentive varies depending on the length and complexity of the survey. To get started with online surveys, you can sign up for a survey site such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Toluna. These sites match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographic information. It's important to note that online surveys are not a get-rich-quick scheme. While they can provide some extra cash or rewards, they are not a substitute for a full-time job or a sustainable source of income. If you're interested in making money through online surveys, it's important to be consistent and dedicated. Sign up for multiple survey sites, complete as many surveys as possible, and provide accurate and thoughtful responses to increase your chances of receiving more surveys and higher rewards. Number 2, freelance writing. To get started with freelance writing, the first step is to determine your area of expertise and the type of writing you want to specialize in. You can then create a portfolio of writing samples that showcase your skills and experience. Your portfolio should include a variety of writing styles and formats, such as blog posts, news articles, and social media posts. To find clients, you can sign up for freelance writing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms allow you to create a profile and bid on writing projects that match your skills and experience. You can also promote your services through social media and by networking with other writers and business owners in your industry. It's important to establish clear expectations with clients before starting a project, including the scope of work, the deadline, and the payment terms. You should also be prepared to communicate effectively with clients throughout the writing process and be open to feedback and revisions. One of the advantages of freelance writing is that it offers flexibility and the ability to work with clients from anywhere in the world. However, it can be a competitive field, so it's important to be persistent and build a strong reputation for high quality writing. To get started with freelance writing, you'll need a reliable computer or laptop, a strong internet connection, and writing softwares such as Microsoft Word or Google Documents. You may also need to invest in additional tools such as grammar checkers or plagiarism detectors. In summary, freelance writing offers the opportunity to work from home and earn money by writing content for businesses and publications. And so to get started, you'll need to establish your area of expertise, create a portfolio, and sign up for freelance writing platforms. With persistence and high quality writing skills, you can build a successful career as a freelance writer. Number 3, online tutoring. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular over the years as more and more students and tutors have realized the convenience and flexibility that it offers. Online tutoring works much like traditional in-person tutoring, except the sessions take place over the internet using video conferencing softwares. To get started with online tutoring, the first step is to determine your area of expertise and what subjects or skills you're able to teach. You can then sign up for a tutoring platform such as Wizant, Chegg, or TutorMe. These platforms match students with tutors based on their needs and preferences. Once you're signed up, you can create a profile that highlights your experience, education, and qualifications. It's important to provide as much detail as possible so that potential clients can get a good sense of your expertise and teaching style. To find clients, you can promote your services through social media, word of mouth, or advertising on tutoring platforms. It's also helpful to specialize in specific subjects or areas of expertise, as this can help you stand out from other tutors and attract more clients. When you start working with clients, it's important to establish your expectations and goals for each session. You should also be prepared to adapt your teaching style to meet the needs of each individual student. One of the advantages of online tutoring is that it offers greater flexibility and convenience than traditional in-person tutoring. You can work with students from anywhere in the world, and you don't have to worry about commuting or finding a physical location to meet your students. To get started with online tutoring, you'll need a reliable internet connection, a webcam, and a headset with a microphone. It's also helpful to have a digital whiteboard or screen sharing software to help you communicate with your students and illustrate concepts. With these tools and a commitment to providing high quality instructions, you can build a successful career as an online tutor. Number 4. Virtual assisting. Virtual assisting is a form of remote work where you provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a home office. As a virtual assistant, you can work with clients from various industries, including healthcare, legal, and business. To get started with virtual assisting, you'll first need to determine your area of expertise and the types of services that you can offer. You can then create a website or a profile on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and experience, set your rates, and apply for jobs that match your expertise. You can also promote your virtual assisting services through social media and by networking with other virtual assistants and professionals in your industry. It's important to establish clear expectations with clients before starting a project, including the scope of work, the timeline, and the payment terms. During a virtual assisting project, you'll need to communicate with clients via email, phone, or video conferencing softwares such as Zoom or Skype. You may also need to use online tools such as project management softwares, accounting softwares, and cloud-based file sharing platforms to provide effective assistance. One of the advantages of virtual assisting is that it offers flexibility and the ability to work with clients from anywhere in the world. However, it can be a competitive field, so it's important to establish a strong reputation and build a network of satisfied clients. To get started with virtual assisting, you'll need to have strong organizational, communication, and time management skills. You may also need to invest in additional resources such as a reliable computer or laptop, internet connection, and online tools and software. In summary, virtual assisting offers the opportunity to work from home and earn money by providing administrative, technical, and creative assistance to clients. To get started, you'll need to establish your area of expertise, create a website or profile on freelance platforms, and promote your services. With persistence and effective communication skills, you can build a successful career as a virtual assistant. Number 5. Online selling. Online selling, also known as e-commerce, involves selling products or services through online marketplaces, websites, or social media platforms. This can be a lucrative way to earn money from home, but it requires some planning and research to get started. To begin with, you'll need to decide what products or services you want to sell. You can either create your own products, such as handmade crafts or digital products, or source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or dropshipping companies. Once you've decided on your products, you will need to choose a platform to sell them on. This can be an established online marketplace such as Amazon or Etsy, or you could create your own website using a platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce. You'll need to set up your online store, create product listings, and manage your inventory and orders. To attract customers and make sales, you'll need to market your products effectively. This could involve optimizing your product listings for search engines, using social media to promote your products, and offering discounts or promotions to attract customers. One of the key challenges of online selling is managing the logistics of shipping and handling. You'll need to choose a reliable shipping provider and decide on your shipping rates and policies. You may also need to invest in packaging materials and consider the impact of shipping on your carbon footprint. To get started with online selling, you'll need to research your market and competitors, identify a niche or a unique selling proposition, and develop a solid business plan. You'll also need to invest in some basic equipment such as a computer or a laptop, internet connection, and photography equipment if you're selling physical products. In summary, online selling can be a profitable way to earn money from home, but it requires some planning, research, and investment in equipment and marketing. To get started, you'll need to choose your products, select a platform to sell on, and market your products effectively to attract customers. With persistence and hard work, you can build a successful e-commerce business from home. Bonus: monetize your social media presence. If you have a strong social media presence, you can leverage it to earn some extra cash. Many social media platforms, such as Instagram and YouTube, offer monetization options that allow you to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To get started, you'll need to build a loyal following on social media by creating engaging content that resonate with your audience. You can then reach out to brands and companies that align with your niche and collaborate with them on sponsored posts or affiliate marketing campaigns. Some popular social media monetization options include YouTube ads. YouTube allows creators to monetize their content through ads that play before or during their videos. To start earning from YouTube ads, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Number 2, Instagram sponsored posts. If you have a significant following on Instagram, you can earn money by collaborating with brands and promoting their products on your posts. To get started, reach out to brands in your niche and pitch to them your services. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money through social media. You can promote products or services to your audience and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Earning money from home is becoming increasingly popular, and there are many ways to do it. Whether you choose to start a blog or sell products or even offer services as a freelancer, the opportunities are endless. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can start earning money from home and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed, but with the right mindset and approach, anything is possible. My name is Sebastian. Ensure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.